Good morning, and we are starting off getting organised today. Rachel is on it, sorting out the fridge, making sure everything's nice and clean. Noah's helping do the washing, making sure it keeps on spinning. Is it spinning? Wow! It's the first time he's ever realised what goes on in there, and it's so cute. And I'm going to do some sorting out over here. Next up is the table. Huh?
You know where? Can you chew? No, not that kind of chew.
Was he sneezing?
Yeah. Good boy.
Oh, thank you. Ta. Get some up. No, get some up on the floor. And we have finally got a day of washing up and doing everything and sorting the house. A morning of, done.
A morning, it's only been an hour and a half.
Felt like a morning.
We've got a lot done.
But we did. We're very organised now, and so we're going to go get ourselves some breakfast and then go to swimming. And we have come to the place for breakfast today, that is Greg's. And we are sat with, I've got a bacon and sausage baguette. Noah's got a sausage sandwich, and we've got some orange juice, which has gone somewhere. And you've got a sausage baguette, sorry. There's the orange juice. And we've got swimming lessons to go to we set off in about 5 minutes. We need to wolf these down, don't we? And yeah, you love the windows open again, isn't it? We've realised we're actually running a little bit late. We should be absolutely fine, but we're going to set off now, finish eating the sandwiches. Noah's going to try and, I'm going to try and feed Noah while we're driving, and hopefully we'll still make it. We're doing good for time, and we're about halfway through the sandwich, so we've had some food, but the rain has appeared. Perfect. And it's absolutely banging it down, if you can hear. Have a look at the windows. So we're going to get soaking going into swimming because I've not got a jacket, Noah's not got a jacket. We thought it would be nice today. And we said, look at that, the rain has stopped. We got 10 minutes to get changed. Perfect timing. Should we go swimming? Yeah. Can you say swimming? Swimming. Well done. And we're done. Having a drink of water, was that good swimming? It was good swimming, he smashed it, he's just drinking. So we've just been to Windsor's, which I'll play for you now. Do you like them? Are they good? You don't like them? Come and have a look. And we were actually looking for smart shoes, weren't we?
Yes.
And we ended up trying some Crocs on for him. So now we're going to go to Asda and try again. We get rained on. Oh dear. And there we go. We are home. Shopping is done. As you all got very wet, but now we have got Formula 1 on, and this one's going to go in for a nap in a bit, and Rachel is chilling, as you can see. Rachel didn't manage to find anything good to eat at the food shop, so we're going to the Chippy again. Chippy has been acquired, but geez, you know when you get into a shop and it's like just the wrong timing and a bunch of people just walked in and then they're running out of food. I've literally been sat there for about half an hour, so I'm so hungry. Rachel will be home, so hungry. Get home, get this food eaten. We've got loads today, we've gone for it. Would you look at that plate of food? And that, box of food. And that's spares. And that's Rachel's. You wanna come up?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna make you some dinner.
Yeah.
You gonna have some, can you say fish?
Fish.
Can you say garlic?
Garlic.
Bread?
Bread.
Can you say vegetables? Good try. As you can see, he's woken up from his nap and we have been playing. Have we made a mess?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have, haven't we?
Mess.
You shock face. Whoops. But it is time to make some dinner for you, isn't it? And we've got some lovely bits on here to pop into the air fryer and get cooking. Whoa. Uh-oh. It's okay. Can we fix it? Yeah, we can. Can we pick it up? You got some food? Yeah. And we get to chill just for a little bit while he's eating until we're going to go out and do a food shop in a little bit. And as always with our food shops, we're going to Asda and use our Jam Donut app to make sure we're saving a few % on whatever it is we spend. There's a link in the description down below if you want to sign up using code APD8 and we will take you with us and see what we can find. We've just been absolutely rebellious. Tired, aren't we? Yeah. But so rebellious because we've only gone to Morrison's to do a food shop, which for us is like pure blasphemy. Still use our Jam Donut app to save money on it, as always, because you can go to Morrison's as well as Asda there, and we just thought, why not? Happy with your new purchase? Oh, I got Walton Towers. You want some chocolate?
Yeah.
You have some food first? You gotta finish your tea. We've just been sat watching Black Adam and oh my god, look at this thunderstorm. I've never heard rain that heavy in this country ever before, I don't think.